Dino's Workshop.
Hey up, back again for the part 2 of this media unit build. This time there's 2 units that are basically exactly the same. I'll show you how I built one of them. It's this Havsta stuff again from Ikea. It basically goes together very similar to the first media unit I've shown you, where everything just clips together very simple, to be fair. Here they've got them keyhole slots in the top piece that locate with the plastic inserts in the side parts. One thing I didn't bring with me, which was my rubber mallet. You need a wide rubber mallet for knocking this stuff together, really. Otherwise you bash it together with your hands. The back just drops in a slot, drops down to the bottom, and then there's some locating holes at the top, which you drop these white pegs in, which is the male and female pegs. And then for around the side you use these black pegs, which again is like a male and female thing, which just kind of keeps it all the back all pretty solid. It's a simple idea, but it works pretty well, to be fair. Better than the packs where you're nailing the backs onto these units. Now it's time to start building the plinth up. I've already pushed the connectors in. You've seen that. If you've watched the other video, you've seen me build one of these plinths up on the other video. Fitting these metal locating cams now, pull it together. Again, been around a long time, these things have, but they're a clever idea. This is where I suddenly realised I've put the front panel on, the kicker board if you like, put it on upside down. Like I say, I've built one of these before, so I should have known better, really. But you live and learn. Push in the locating dowels when it sits on the base, and then it all lines up. If you remember on my last video, I had some clips at the front that didn't quite line up proper, but there isn't any on this, only on the side. Again, pushing in those plastic male female inserts to hold it all together. These things here go on the back of the unit, and the idea is they're adjustable for just out to the wall, for fixing back to the wall. But because the daughter didn't really want me to take the skirting boards off, the units sit sort of forward a bit, and these are of no use really. These are the door stops, just screwed in, and then a couple on the top which have sort of rubber bungs on them. Pushing in the shelf brackets now. Again, these just push in. The shelf can go in different areas, as you can see. There's like adjustable, so you can adjust the height of it. But I just centralised everything for now. Now fitting the door hinges. The bottom ones on each hinge are the soft close hinges. And then it's just a matter of fitting the hinge to the unit. To be fair, I had a bit of trouble with these, just lining them up. I don't think it was anything wrong with the unit. I think it was just me on the day. I was just struggling a bit. The doors were catching a little bit, so I just gave them a bit of adjustment. And they got the usual adjustment on these, you know, the in and out and tilting and stuff like that. But they've also got an up and down adjuster on them, which comes in handy. So a bit of adjustment and they got sorted out. Anyway, that's the units built. Havsta. If this has been any help to anybody, then all well and good. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. And I'll catch you on the next one.